Hello, my name is Kellen, and I am here to show you with this video a supplement called Dentitox, which is bringing a lot of health to your mouth and taking care of your teeth. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Let's talk about Dentitox. Dentitox Pro is a unique oral supplement that helps you keep your teeth and gums in the best possible way. It consists of a blend of vitamins, minerals, herbs, and other ingredients that will help you stay healthy and have a fresh mouth. It also reduces the chances of getting cavities and gum disease. Its formula has antibacterial, antioxidant, and anti-inflammatory effects that will improve the condition of your teeth and gums. Users can simply spread the solution on their teeth and gums and brush their teeth. In addition, it is cheaper and easier to take than pills or capsules. Xylitol is a sugar that appears naturally in some fruits and vegetables and can remove plaque, strengthen tooth enamel, and fight tooth decay. It can also help reduce heartburn and indigestion. Collagen is a protein found throughout the body that helps improve connective tissues in the teeth and gums. It can also help regenerate the gums, making them stronger and more resistant to bacterial attack. Licorice root is another important ingredient in Dentitox Pro, as it can help remove the bacteria that cause gum disease. It also promotes digestive system health and reduces the risk of heartburn, indigestion, and ulcers. Menthol is a member of the mint family and can freshen breath and destroy germs and fungus on the gum surface. It can also help protect teeth from staining. Other ingredients include licorice and elderberry, which have antibacterial properties and prevent bacteria from growing in the mouth. This combination can also help the growth of new teeth and gums and reduce sensitivity and pain in the gums. Dentitox Pro is an advanced formula that helps people who have problems with their gums and teeth, such as bad breath, tooth sensitivity, bleeding gums, bacteria in the mouth, cavities, and plaque. Dentitox Pro is made from a blend of ingredients that work together to improve oral health and hygiene without the use of harsh chemicals. It is ideal for anyone who is tired of looking for pain relief from gum and tooth problems. Some of the ingredients are vitamins, potassium, zinc, mint essential oil, xylitol, cinnamon, among others. The ingredients in Dentitox Pro are all natural and safe to use, so it's perfect for everyone. The formula contains several important nutrients, including zinc and vitamin C that enhance immune system function. These vitamins help the body fight infection and reduce inflammation in the mouth. It also helps reduce swelling in the gums, removes plaque, prevents gum disease, heals gums, provides natural protection. At last, Dentitox Pro is a natural plant-based formula that focuses on providing your body with the nutrients it needs to maintain healthy teeth and gums. It is also designed to make you less susceptible to the bacteria that cause cavities and other oral conditions. The manufacturer offers a 60-day money-back guarantee. However, it is important to note that results will not be visible immediately, so it is best to follow the twice-daily schedule for a few weeks to see if it works for you. I hope I have helped you. I will leave in the description of the video the official website of sale. Don't waste any more time, get yours now.